Alright, hard drive swap. You might not even need this, but I figured, what's the harm? Okay, so on the Dell 755, just to pull back, and then pull it back, the side panel pops on. So the hard drives are down at the bottom right here. There should only be one in your PC. But basically, you just pull the two connectors, and you squeeze in on the two tabs, and slide it on out. And there it is. Basically, you'll pop that out, and put in the new hard drive that I send you. And then basically hook up the two connectors again, and start it up, and that's a completely new Windows 7 PC for you. So I think that's all you'll need to know. Thanks, Gary. Bye.